it's Bonnie and Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and we're in the beautiful Sydney suburb of Balmain.
We are.
About to take a look inside a really special home.
I know, and it's special because this home is my mum and dad's home, and it is a ripper. It is, I don't even know, like maybe the 20th house they've renovated.
It is.
This one's the best though. Come
Let's
and
go
have a look.
have a look.
Come on in because mum and dad are going to be excited to see you. Oh.
Hey guys.
Hi. Oh, here we are.
That's all steel beams there.
Yeah, they can
haven't
look
seen
so
any of
good.
this,
I love this little skylight up here because really you could have not done that. The light that you get from that side.
We did that at the last minute.
They're the best ones though. The ones you do, the windows or skylights you do during the reno, I reckon are some of the best.
Yeah.
With these bricks, so I can see mum, and I know that you did it purposefully. Like there's blue and kind of all different little coloured ones.
There's
throughout.
greens up here.
Yeah, so there's green. Like how cool are those ones? The
So
green.
cool.
And then did you end up whitewashing the bricks or not?
Just a light acid wash.
So when you got here and you decided, okay, we're going to extend out the back, we'll do the double height. What do you decide first? How do you come up with this look?
You come up with the windows.
Windows, yeah. So the structure itself.
Yeah.
And did you know at that point you were going to do the steel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, you're sitting down with an architect and
Yeah.
you're drawing up your plan, and so therefore you see all this when he draws it up for you.
This island is awesome and it's full of storage, which I love.
Yeah.
And what made you go dark, not light?
I wanted some depth.
Yes.
This is real marble,
Yeah.
and so I'm surprised that she's letting you put your hand on it.
Ah, got you.
Yeah.
Probably not really. Why did you use the marble then? Was it around quality and resale
No,
and
it's
everything?
the look.
It's
You
just
can't
the look.
replace that look.
Now with the engineered stone, you can get it all honed and leather
Yeah,
look.
you can get it
and
honed.
so it does.
But you
look-
can for this.
No, but what I'm saying is that you don't have to pay the price of this, and you can also actually cook on your bench top.
So in the kitchen, because you guys are seasoned renovators, what was the biggest challenge here? Like what curveball did you face in the kitchen?
The concrete floors.
Yes, that's right. What's the story with them? But it was
The
ages
guy,
ago.
Came in and painted them in a full gloss, and then it turned it into almost yellow.
See, this happens to seasoned renovators too, doesn't it? There's
No,
only
I
so much you can
specifically
control.
said to him, you must do it in a matte finish. So I said, show me, and I went to his car. It's clearly written full gloss.
You went to his car. Did you open the boot?
Yes.
Oh my god.
So beautiful.
My favourite part of the kitchen is in there.
Let's have a quick look in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the tiles too.
Yeah, it's.
This has got my kitchen
No,
feel to
that's
it.
my favourite.
Yeah, no,
but it
it's really
shows you
cool.
how with a kitchen, just having two simple shelves,
Yeah.
and then obviously the shelf that continues through here,
Hmm.
it's just such a winner.
Now I've got to ask the pendant light here. So we come out of the ceiling to the side and then we dangle down. Was this a design choice or is this?
No, that's because I moved the table.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that little tip for anyone, if you ever stuff your pendant lights up, don't worry, just
No.
put another hook in, and you
I
just
like
need to have
it.
enough length in it. So we've got industrial vibes inside and Santorini vibes outside.
And it kind of merges out. So you go from industrial and then you just hit these Santorini vibes. Like it's not all of a sudden. You've still got like the paneling there and the colour from the kitchen island.
Is continuing.
Yeah, that's
It
right.
continues.
Yeah, that's
So
intentional.
that connects the two. And then once you get out here, you're into this little oasis.
But it shows you that the courtyard living, you can just get so much. Like you've got dining over here, Dad's a firebug, and I think he's the only man in Balmain that has a fire pit nearly every single night. All right, well, I'm really hot. Let's get upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms,
I want to see
hey?
these bedrooms. Let's go. So this is coming back into the old world.
Yes.
This is where we move back into the traditional,
Yes.
ornate features, Original staircase.
Yes, original.
Love.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it? It's instantly you open up the doors and it's like classy. There's just, it looks expensive.
I know.
What colour's the white?
Vivid.
Vivid white by Juliet.
Yeah,
That
look
looks
at that.
amazing.
And why did you paint this black, not say white or do something?
Well, this staircase was done in this timber, not the herringbone pattern, and it were pieces of timber coming across straight down.
Yes.
What we did is we lost depth in the staircase as
Of
well.
course you
Very
did.
narrow,
Yeah.
Because of the original bullnose.
Yeah.
But if you're putting in a new staircase nowadays, I'm not sure that you can have a bigger stair at the bottom.
Yeah.
They all have to be the same
Even.
Oh,
for safety.
really?
So because they're existing, you could maintain that.
That's
If
exactly
you rip
right.
this out, you would have had to go with the code now.
you
But
said
it's good
it.
for people to know. You can keep existing and refurbish, but if you put brand new,
Yeah.
you're under different rules.
This is, I think, my favourite room.
For me, this is such a special room because it's very much a nod to the original home.
Oh, it's so traditional.
It doesn't make any difference.
And so this is again what you do when your light fitting's not where you want it to be.
Yeah.
Sweep it across and hang
Yeah.
it. This is the original ceiling.
Yes.
You didn't touch this.
Yes,
This is
no.
how it is.
And all of this is original.
Oh, I
Yes.
love this.
And all, but you did change these.
We did.
So they were all,
oh, the fluted glass.
they
yeah,
were coloured glass.
But look how beautiful that is. That's the traditional up top with the modern shutters
Yeah,
together.
yeah, it's a very nice room. All right, let's go upstairs to the other rooms.
I'd take this room.
Gosh, I would have a very, very athletic bottom if I did this every single day.
Oh yeah, because you don't have stairs.
No. So the main bedroom. I love this room.
Love.
Well, I think it's firstly that there's a little balcony that comes off it,
Yeah.
which is so cute. You've got the tiniest little ensuite bathroom, but it's so cool.
Yeah, but you know, it's not that tiny in that, like, what is it, metre and a half, 1.6 wide,
Yeah.
maybe. Vanity toilet shower, like you've got it all in there. It's small because the
rake.
spade ceiling, yeah. It's like you'd think you'd hit your head on here, but you don't.
You know what this is? This is part of the roof line. So what we did, instead of wasting it, we turned it into an ensuite.
Yeah, you worked with it.
Yeah, work with it.
Love the shelf. I love a bit of,
That's Linda, she always likes it like that.
I like a shelf in a
Yeah,
bathroom.
Good idea.
So, one of my favourite little features of this room is this nook here.
Yeah.
And for a minute I thought we got the nook over a wardrobe,
Yeah.
but we haven't, have we?
No.
There is a wardrobe back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
You would actually never know, would you?
No, I thought there wasn't for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. See, this could have been left just as a little bench seat and looking pretty, but we wouldn't have had storage.
No, you
Or-
wouldn't have had storage.
Or you could have just covered this off and had a massive
That's right.
walk-in robe,
Yeah,
but that
but then
could
you
be a
got
bit
no
boring.
light.
Yeah, well, I can feel the breeze.
Yeah.
So you're obviously
Oh,
getting
yeah,
the breeze
absolutely.
straight through. And that's the centre point tower.
Oh.
Fabulous view at night.
Oh, do you stand here at night with a glass of wine and go, God, I love my life.
Oh, this breeze.
God, I love my life. So, Mum, you went with the black and white tiles out here,
Yeah,
and is that just to keep that nod to the traditional
absolutely.
Yeah.
And the iron.
pattern and the iron again?
Yeah, this is all steel.
Yeah, so the front porch and the balcony here, the little black and
Was
white
deliberate
checkers.
with the little French doors.
And so this is the main bathroom, Mum, or
Yes.
would you consider it? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, this is incredible. The skylight here is everything.
And I love the fireplace.
Oh.
The chimney. See, looking at the old chimney?
Yeah, it's so nice. But
Yeah.
even just, which you guys do a lot, is just that massive wall of glass.
Yep.
Because majority of the houses that you renovate are in smaller spaces, and therefore it just doubles the space of the bathroom visually.
Yeah, that's the idea.
And you always nook a little shower in as well somewhere. I mean, I find it remarkable what you guys fit in roof lines.
This was a maze of roof lines. It was these walls used to finish here. So what we did is we pushed everything back.
Yeah.
So that was a wardrobe in the other bedroom.
Ah.
So we
And then therefore it's
styled it.
become the shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Looks so nice. All right, so talk us through this room, Dad. What was this room?
It wasn't a bedroom.
It was a bedroom, but
But it was different to this, wasn't it? Wasn't
Oh,
there
totally
like something
different.
built
It
over
was
there
like a
or?
house.
It was cheaper, it was the same price to ripped the back bedroom down because at one stage they had it on stilts to hold it.
Oh yeah.
They said no, we'll just get rid of it. It's cheaper to get rid of it and just redo the whole
So
thing.
you rebuilt this structure.
Because they got to put concrete underneath.
Sometimes we find that though with renovating, don't we? Yes,
Yep.
where sometimes the builders will say to us, guys,
Just rip it out.
We're better off ripping it out and starting that bit again. And I reckon you can see some of my kids' handprints on this
Yes,
now.
absolutely.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So, Mum, would you prefer to renovate or would you prefer to build?
Renovate all day.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, no, I would like to build. I'll build one day, but I like renovating. It's more creative because you have to think about how to use spaces.
It's not that it's more creative.
No, it's not, no.
Because building can be really creative. You could create the most unbelievable thing in the world. It's that you have parameters around how you need to get somewhere.
Yeah,
So
you've already got a
these
base.
walls. You've already got whatever. What can I do to achieve that look? So that's where it's like a challenge. It's creative challenge.
It's like
Yeah.
knowing what's wrong when you walk into
making
the
it
room
right.
and then making it right.
Yeah.
That's a great
Yeah.
way to put it, Mum. Well done.